Hey everyone, my name is Dan and welcome to my channel, Makin Bacon PD. Now, I'm not a professionally trained cook, nor have I ever worked in the restaurant business. I'm actually a police officer who just loves food, cooking, and sharing that food with people. Today we're at the lake house. We're diving into some sizzling grilled chicken fajitas. We're talking juicy, smoky, charcoal-kissed chicken with peppers that's still got a little crunch. No fuss, no creamy sauces, just big flavor and backyard vibes. Let's get fired up. We're working with about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. You can definitely use thighs as well, but the store was out of thighs, so chicken breasts it was. Now for a marinade, that's basically a flavor bomb. 1/2 cup vegetable, 1/2 cup apple cider vinegar, 6 ounces of Mexican beer or whatever light beer you want, about 1/4 cup of Fajita Seasoning, 1/4 cup lime juice, 1 tablespoon sugar. You can use any fajita seasoning you like. Today I'm using fajita wings. Whisk it all up until it smells like a vacation. Toss a chicken in a large Ziploc bag, pour in the marinade, seal it, and give it a good massage, like it just finished a long shift. Throw it in the fridge for 2 hours. Trust me, it's worth the wait. Now, let's get your charcoal grill going for direct cooking over medium-high heat. Pro tip, let your coals ash over for even heat. And if you're feeling fancy, throw on a chunk of hickory or mesquite for extra smokiness. Alright, while the chicken's soaking up the good stuff and the grill's getting nice and hot, let's get those fajita veggies prepped. Slice up 2 bell peppers, your color choice, and an onion. Cut them into strips so they cook up fast and fit nicely into tortillas. You could add a sliced jalapeno as well for some heat. Now let's get that chicken on the grill. Remove chicken from the marinade and let the excess drip off. Toss it on the grill and cook 6 to 8 minutes per side. I usually hit the chicken again with some extra fajita seasoning. You're aiming for 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the breast, or when the juices run clear. I usually pull the chicken off near 160 and let rest, as there will be some carryover cooking. While the chicken's finishing up, fire up your Blackstone griddle on medium-high heat. Add a little oil, then your sliced peppers and onions. Season the veggies with some of the fajita seasoning as well. Cook about 10 minutes, stirring occasionally, just enough to soften them but still keep a little crunch. It's definitely starting to smell good now. You might want to check and see if the neighbors are peeking over the fence. Warm, flexible tortillas mean happier fajitas and no mess. You can toss them right on the griddle, wrap them in foil, throw them on the grill, or if you have a tortilla warmer, super simple, throw them in there, pop them in the microwave. Me, I just threw them in my tortilla warmer and heated them up in the microwave. Once that chicken has rested, slice it into strips against the grain. This will ensure a nice tender bite. Add it to the griddle with the veggies, hit it with a squeeze of lime, and let everything mingle for a minute or 2. Lay down your tortilla, pile on the chicken and veggies, and garnish however you wish. I went with sour cream and cheese. And that's it. Grilled chicken fajitas. Done. Makin Bacon style. Warm, smoky, juicy, cheesy goodness. Definitely recommend giving these a try with a nice cold beer. If you laughed, learned, or got hungry watching this, smash that like button, subscribe. Ring that bell for more backyard flavor, and share this with someone who loves fajitas more than they love folding laundry. I'm Dan, your off-duty cop with on-duty flavor. Thanks for hanging out, and keep making bacon.